If you remember on the previous video, when I copied the source text and tried to paste on Microsoft Word, we had different options for pasting. So it is totally depends on your content type and your content source. I could select my sample values from Microsoft Excel and note that I already applied the borders, right-click copy, and again I will click here and paste. As you see now, our paste options are more and different. The first one, of course, it is keep source formatting. Next one, use destination style, which will use your destination on Microsoft Word. And next one is link and keep source formatting. Beside of that, link and use destination style. It is obvious, but the important note here is they are linked with a small chain icon here to be recognizable. If I click here as an example, this value is linked to my Microsoft Excel values. For instance, if I change the value of number 4 here to something else like 8 and press enter or return key to apply, you see, here in Microsoft Word also value updated. Also, it is working for other formats. Let's say it has blue color and also bold. You see, immediately it will be updated. And note that although once I copied the values, but there is no paste available anymore. So it is not always your copy keeps inside of clipboard unless you have selected values or range of cells in Microsoft Excel as an example. Then I copy and let's say here, paste. Now you could paste different types. And even we have more than this. For example, if I paste here and note that I'm exactly under this table. Now if I click on the paste options is different. The first item is keep original table formatting, like a regular one. Next item is merge table. So if I choose that, now we have a single table. You see? For instance, I could resize it or apply any format I like. For more different types of paste, if I click there, we have paste special. I click on that. The paste special dialog box will open. We have overall 2 types of paste, regular paste, or I could call it unlinked, and paste link, which it is reading and interactively update from your source values. On the paste, we have Microsoft Excel worksheet object. If I choose that and press OK, it will paste as Microsoft Excel. I could double click on that and you see, mini Excel will open. You could change the values and you could done many things, which I will mention more deeply about that on chart sections. Let me delete that. I press escape to get exit and delete the values. Again, right click and copy, paste, paste special. And we have different types like rich text formats, unformatted text as a bitmap, picture enhanced with metadata, meta files, HTML format, and unformatted Unicode. In some cases, if need get deeper and more descriptions, I will get back and describe more deeply. Also on the paste link, we have similar to that, but if you note that some items are a bit different, not so much. And finally, on the paste sections, we have set default paste. If I click on that, automatically Word Options panel Advanced tab will open. You could scroll down until find the cut, copy and paste, and you could set default values. For instance, maybe you like to paste in same document, keep text only, or merge formatting.